Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Uh, on this video, we are going to play with um, CanMatch. Is it CanMatch? What's the difference between CanMatch and Can Activate? CanMatch introducing the CanMatch router guard in Angular. Angular provides a can load and can activate route guards. Can load and can activate guards are used to determine if a lazy loaded module or component should be loaded and activated, respectively. Using these guards has two drawbacks. The first is that you usually have to define both. Furthermore, there's no easy way to define multiple routes with the same path that can be activated based on certain conditions. Luckily, a new powerful guard addresses these issues in the next version of Angular, the Can Match Guard. The Can Match Guard would control whether we can use the route and, as a side effect, whether we can download the code. In addition, when one of the defined guards returns false, the route is skipped and other routes are processed instead. We can, for example, use the can match guard to load different components based on a feature flag. Wow. Currently, we need to do what I explained in one of my previous articles. Now we can do the following. So take a look at this one here. They have both the same paths. By the way, I want to credit this article written by Nathaniel Basal. Right, so to do's can match. So if it can match, what is this to do's v2? Where's that code? Okay, when the guard function returns true, it'll load and activate. Where is it? When the guard functions true returns true, it'll load and activate the new to do's version. Otherwise, the legacy version will be used. Where is the legacy version? If it has permission, so it will inject the feature flag service and call its function has permission of the to-dos v2, and if it has, it will call this. It will load this instead of this. That's nice. When the guard functions returns true, yeah. Alternatively, we can return a URL tree or redirect to another route. You can also use this technique to load different components based on the user rule. Right. Okay, so to do this in action, let's create an Angular, new Angular, can match web. Lami da waday po niyang sabaw lang ga. Kumuton da sa sabaw eh. Ano man na sabaw eh. Nalimot na sad. Imo ang tanggingnan. Lo, sa wala pa. Ha? Okay, stick to the diet, raw. Stick to the diet. Alright, so let's now go to CanMatch. This is a fresh start CanMatch. CanMatch. Okay, so let's try this. Okay, so first let's create a dashboard. ng generate component pages dashboard standalone. Take me to church. Then we'll create another feature. We'll call this customers. Customers. She likes me for me. I'm not because I'm not like Dirty Harry. Next is create customers v2. Can we name our component like that? Right, so we have customers here, customers v2, and then we have dashboard. So let's create our paths. So we have path here, and then load component. Right, pages, dashboard, dashboard component, then dashboard component. The next is we want to path, so it will say customers, then load component, pages, customers component, then customers component. Now we want to add another customers here. We will load the customers v2 component, then xx component v2. So let's try this first. ng serve. So let's see what is the behavior because there's two customers here. So we're expecting that it will load the customers, this customers here, and not this one. Burp, 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 burp. Buffalo soldier. Alright, so let's try first opening it on a separate screen. So as you can see here, we have dashboard. Then we go to customers, hello the customers. Okay, so it loaded this customers here, and now we want to create another file here called generate ng generate service. Go to services, users service. And then this service here, we'll say get user has can view v2. Okay, so let's return true for that, and then in here in the routing, like what sample did is we can put a can match here. Can match. Then oh yeah, we can put a can match here, and then we're going to inject the user service, then can view v2, and if it's true, then um or no, I think the this one here would be the correct arrangement. The new components will be the first one, and then this can match will be here. So if it's true, then it will load the version 2. Yeah, see here, I loaded the customers, but it loaded the v2 component. So what if we put this on the first, on top of the route that has the can match? It still loads the customer's view because this is the one that first read. So if you have new versions of your component, that should be the order should be like the newest one will be on top, like the first index or the first element in the array. Yeah, so this is cool. How about adding guards or can match? Yeah, how about adding guard? What is the use case? Ng generate guard. Um, yeah, see guards auth guard can match guard. So this one is a can match. How do we use this here? Here. How about we add this one here? And then here we also add a can match. Hmm. Then the guard. What if we go to what is the biggest mall? It's yeah. Next week, not next week. Yep. Error. Standalone. Pages. Error. Because Papa needs to work. And load component. Pages. Error component. Error component. So if we go to customers, goes to error component. So that's it. So if, for example, this one here returns false, um, and then this one returns true. So this one here should, yeah, loads the customers. But if this one here loads true, goes v2. Yeah. What else are the use cases for this again? Yeah, based on the rule. Yeah, so all good in this one. Thank you so much. All right.